We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, stability control, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-season, mud guards, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.